All right, it is a brutally cold Friday out there, but will it get any better as we go into the weekend, Dana?
I'm going to answer that question with a non-answer, which is yes and no. Technically, it's going to be both, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. But here's some of our low temperatures so far this morning. Got down into the single digits, even below zero in some spots. -2 this morning in Bangor, -4 in Greenville, -7 in Sanford, -3 this morning in Freiburg. It's also been fairly breezy across the state today. A couple hours ago, we were seeing wind gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. Right now, wind gusts topping out about 25 coming out of the north, but that still means that our wind chill temperatures are still very cold. Right now, our feels like temperatures for most of the state are below zero. Feels like -15 in Holton, feels like -17 in Bangor, feels like -9 right now here in Portland. We have started out the day with a lot of sunshine. That will change a little bit as we get into the second half of the day, especially in areas of western Maine because of a system that will be passing to our south. So if you're going to be getting outside today, it's a day that I'm certainly going to need the gloves and the hat. Our high temperatures will only be in the upper teens to low 20s, increasing clouds throughout the afternoon, still a bit breezy. Wind gusts out of the north about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Those will start to settle right as we get to around sunset time. So it's going to be cold today, it's going to be cold tomorrow, and here's a look at that system that passes to our south. It's going to cause some pretty tricky travel in areas of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and areas in New York City could get up to about 6 inches of snow, but this storm is going to pass to our south. Maybe areas of southern New Hampshire or southern York County could see a couple of light snow showers, but not a lot of precipitation from that we'll see. And then it'll still be cold during the day on Saturday, a little bit warmer on Sunday, but not tremendously so. And then we have a much messier system that comes in for Monday. We're going to be watching a warm front, and then we'll end up in the warm sector here, which means we'll have to watch for the location of that rain snow line. So today, as we saw, we're starting out the day with some sunshine and a little bit of increase in cloud cover. In the second half of the day, high temps upper teens, lower 20s. As we get to the overnight hours, you can see a couple of those snow showers in southern New Hampshire and southern York County there. The rest of the state will remain dry. And then tomorrow is a bit of a reverse. We start out with some clouds decreasing throughout the day. High temperatures maybe a couple of degrees warmer than today, but not many, still in the lower 20s for those highs. And then as we get into Sunday, mostly sunny and a couple degrees warmer. So that warm front comes in first early in the day on Monday, and then we're going to be in the warm sector. So it'll pull in warmer air from the south, which means we'll start out with some mixed precipitation, then switch over into rain closer to the coast. Areas of northern Maine will start out as snow and then switch over to that mixed precipitation. So we'll have to watch for some ice accumulations there. And then behind this storm system, we'll start to wrap in some colder air, which will bring in some snow showers on Tuesday and some flurries possible on Wednesday too. Marine forecast sees 3 to 6 feet, gale warning because of those gusty winds. Ocean temperature is 40 degrees. So increasing clouds today, breezy and chilly. Tomorrow will be decreasing clouds, a touch warmer by about 2 or 3 degrees and a little bit less breezy. Mostly sunny on Sunday, high temperatures getting into the 30s. Woo, so much warmer than today. And then we have that much messier system that comes in on Monday, so we'll have to watch for some ice along with that wintry mix. So Sharon, we'll keep an eye on that as we get into the weekend. But for right now, I'm going to bundle up.
Yeah, same here. Good advice. Thanks, Dana.